Hello friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of keep stopping on the application of Strava. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about Strava app and you will click. Here in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.